Dear customers and friends, welcome to Golden Tulip Artificial Flower and Plant New Items presentation. Today, we'd like to show you a new range of Dahlia in short, medium style, flower styles, and a new range of artificial bamboo. First, let's see the first style of the medium stem Dahlia. The first style is one with one medium flower head, and second style is with one medium flower head, one small flower head, and one bud. Third style is a small Dahlia peak, and the fourth style is a small bouquet of Dahlia, and the fifth style is with two big flower head, three small flower head, Dahlia bouquet, and the last style is three sizes bamboo artificial made of artificial material. Let's see the details. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I like this one very much. Let's see. Very nice color, natural structure and stem. The small peak. Do you like them? Thank you very much. See you next time.